my darling friends. Welcome to Corpa Tales. How are you doing? It is Sunday, 12th. I do remember the date, and it is around past 6 o'clock. I don't remember the time. And guess what we're going to do today? Today we are going to organize my wardrobe. Yesterday I did the packing video. Do go and check that out. That's the packing video specifically for high altitude trekking that I do. I'm not going for trekking. Obviously, we cannot go now because of the lockdown, and I will be canceling the my trip is cancelled to Gangotri and Yamunotri, and I will be canceling the ticket soon, pretty soon. Today is Sunday. I'm not sure if they are working, and my company has extended the lockdown till they've asked us to work from home till another 2 weeks. I mean, I think the state government has also asked to extend the lockdown um, for another 2 weeks in Karnataka. So so I thought, I will still go ahead with the video plan that I had for month of April and go ahead and make that packing video for you guys. As sad as it is, second trip that is cancelled uh, in a row. Last trip that was cancelled was in August, in month of August to Kashmir Great Lakes. So of all the organizing things, the one thing that I like most, which makes me very happy, is organizing my wardrobe. My wardrobe is not a it's a horizontal wardrobe. I'll show you in a second. And it's a rental home, so I'm not complaining. It does not have a rod to hang stuff. I cannot use hangers. So, and I don't want to spend my money to change the wardrobe. So I keep, usually it is organized. It's not aesthetically pleasing. It's still organized. Yesterday I had to like grab stuff for the packing video, and some of the stuffs were in the packing cubes. So right now my wardrobe looks like a tornado. Usually once in a month I do organize, in case if it's out of place I do organize my wardrobe. So I don't have much stuff that I need to donate or declutter from my closet. However, I do see that I've kept the bags or some wrappers or some boxes that I'm not using. I'm going to keep the boxes. I'm going to keep them in the other boxes in the kitchen that I showed you. I did a house tour. If you're interested, you can see that video as well. So yeah, there's nothing to do. So let's go ahead and organize the closet. So let me open. The tornado hit my closet yesterday. Look at that. So some of the boxes, it's never like this. I kept it this way. Yesterday after packing that blue bag, if you can see in the corner, that's packed. So after packing that bag, I was just way too tired yesterday to go ahead and sort my closet out. So I was talking about these bags as it has a bag inside. So I'm going to put a smaller bag in a bigger bag, and that way I'm going to try and organize so that it looks little better. I don't think it still is going to look that aesthetically pleasing because it's a horizontal closet. I will still try my best. All right, let's go. So I need stool to reach out here, and these two bags, like this bag, and you can see this bag and this bag, is packed yesterday for mountains. So I'm going to leave these two bags out. Then I have friends, so I have organized the top part. I've kept smaller bags and two bags in that Versace bag, that black cover, and then I swapped out weak cardboard boxes like this with the height sign and the Milano and kept some stuff in that. I also kept some two bags in the Michael Kors bags in that striped bag. This red one is my jewelry box. I have shared a jewelry collection, not the real one, the custom jewelry. And this bag has my makeup. So we have, let me adjust. Also had like society tea. So yeah, the top one looks a bit organized, and some of the stuff that we had here has gone on the top, and some of the bills and some of the old things that I didn't want are out. So we will just organize this one. Like I said, I keep my stuff in packing cubes. This is a sari cube or a sari cover. So before packing cubes, I used to use this, and this is heavy, so it needs to go in the bottom. So yeah, yesterday I was like sorting out stuff. This is the belt, satin belt for my bathrobe. I want to keep it inside. I'll just quickly go through the clothes that I have in here. Like I said, I keep decluttering, so I know that I don't have anything that I need to donate or remove out of my closet. It's such a trouble when you don't have you don't have rod to, not the curtain rod to hang your clothes. You have to remember what things you have in this. So yeah, I don't see anything that I need to declutter or remove from this. I'll just arrange this so that I can keep it at the bottom. There it goes. And then this cube has what I've done is I've divided my clothes into the types of clothes like tops or blouses that I would wear, fancy tops, and I think I don't have to check. I think this is workwear, work pants and shirts and stuff like that. I've shared my capsule wardrobe video. So yeah, I went through this recently, and there is nothing I need to do. These are all new, brand new items, so I don't need to declutter anything from this. So I'm keeping it here. The tops as well, there is nothing that I want to declutter right now because I went through it, and yeah, nothing right now. All looks good. So this way it is easier, because sometimes if you keep clothes like this and then you pull out one and this one's left, you pull out one and then it's a mess. This is like a swimming shorts. I've shared in my current fitness, the gym haul is shared in my current fitness video. So most of the times I do remember in which packing cube I've kept what. Alright, darling friends, be silly, be honest, be kind. So I've arranged my wardrobe. It does not look like, it looks arranged and organized right now. And it's like I said, it is not that aesthetically pleasing. I'm still happy, I'm not complaining at all. So the tips that I would like to share is like Marie Kondo shared, keep smaller bags in the bigger bags, and yeah, and I've kept these two bags as well, the purple one and the height sign one, and I've kept some important bills and papers. I don't have much, and the smaller wallets in the purple bag. This is one shelf. Then I have packing cubes and sari cover, and I've grouped similar items like trousers, workwear, and some dressy tops in smaller packing cube and things like that. That's my nightwear. I have a small marble box. I keep some money and jewelry in that. Then I have that uh, a couple of uh, what is a sculpture of swans, decorative item, and I've lined it with paper because that's how I am. So just to keep it dust free, and so that this does not the wood is white and it does not get stained. Then the bottom one as well, I've kept some Indian wear in this. Sorry, I fell. Indian wear in this, and some blazers in this, and then I have some more sweaters in that, and I've also kept my workwear, capsule wardrobe or capsule workwear in that, so that I don't mess up with the ironing because those are ironed. I still have some stuff left, and everything in my cupboard, like Marie Kondo says, everything, keep things that spark joy. So I did not remove, like I did not declutter a lot of clothes because I usually declutter once a month. I do have to get rid of that pant, Zara work pant. It's a bit torn at the waist, so as soon as I lose a little bit of belly, I am going to throw that away. And in the corner, I have some clothes that needs to be given for ironing. Then this bottom one is some random stuff like my gym bag, some hair color, and some stuff that I keep in the box so that I can quickly grab and then I don't stain the bottom. And this is grocery, the bag and boundary, the grocery that belongs to the person who stays in this building, and he's gone to his native, so he asked me to keep it. And some of the stuff outside belongs to me, so I thought this is the best place to keep. Then I have some bed sheets and random stuff like that. So yeah, it looks pretty organized. I had some paper and bills that I had to get rid of. I'm very, very happy with it. All right, my darling friends, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your company through this difficult time. I know the video quality is not that best. I'm doing my level best, and now I have decided, I've been doing videos for about since February or Feb. So Feb, March, and a few videos in April, so 2.5 months. Now I know which video I want. So as soon as the lockdown is over, Amazon is not delivering in India. My USB cable is stuck. So as soon as the lockdown is over, I'll get a camera and you should get a better quality videos. Till then, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Hit like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.